Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The error code U0302 indicates a mismatch between the software versions of the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, and the Transmission Control Module, TCM, in a Honda Civic from model years 2016 to 2021. This mismatch is detected through communication lines TM-CAN-H and TM-CAN-L, which are responsible for transmitting and receiving various signals between the PCM and TCM. When the PCM software version is newer than that in the TCM identifies this as a fault after a set duration of 1 second or more. This results in a malfunction indicator light, MIL, illuminating on the dashboard and the shift position indicator blinking, which serves as crucial alerts for the driver. The code U0302 is stored in the TCM memory, and it falls under the category of DTCs that require a continuous monitoring process, emphasizing the importance of regular updates to both control modules to ensure smooth vehicle operation. The error code U32 pertains to a malfunction between two critical components in the vehicle's powertrain system: the Transmission Control Module, TCM, and the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The TCM is responsible for managing the operation of the vehicle's transmission, while the PCM oversees the overall engine performance and emissions control. These modules communicate over two lines known as TM-CAN-H and TM-CAN-L, which enable them to transmit and receive real-time data. When the software version in the TCM is outdated compared to that in the PCM, the mismatch in versions leads to communication failures. This insufficient compatibility can negatively impact vehicle performance, resulting in drivability issues. The TCM detects the fault when it observes that the PCM software information doesn't match for a duration of 1 second or more, triggering the storage of the DTC. The primary cause of DTC U0302 is attributed to the software version of the Transmission Control Module, TCM, being outdated when compared to the software version sent from the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. In modern vehicles, software updates are essential to ensure seamless communication between various electronic control units, ECUs. If the TCM hasn't been updated in correlation with changes made to the PCM, it can lead to errors in data transfer over the TM-CAN communications lines. Additionally, while a mismatched firmware version can be common, it's important to note that there may also be undiscovered underlying electrical issues, although they are less frequently documented as direct causes of this issue. Hence, maintaining both modules with current software is crucial to avoiding communication discrepancies and subsequent errors. When the DTC U0302 is triggered, the driver may observe specific symptoms indicating a communication fault. The most noticeable symptom is the illumination of the malfunction indicator light, MIL, on the dashboard. This light serves as a warning that the vehicle's onboard diagnostics have detected an error, prompting the need for further investigation. Additionally, the shift position indicator, which typically displays the selected gear, will begin to blink, signaling an abnormal condition in the transmission system. These visual alerts are critical for driver awareness and should not be ignored, as they may indicate potential transmission issues that could affect the vehicle's performance and safety. The first step in troubleshooting DTC U0302 involves checking the error codes using an automotive scan tool. This device interfaces with the vehicle's onboard computer systems, allowing technicians to read stored DTCs accurately. It's crucial to ensure that all related fault codes are documented, as they can provide valuable insights into potential underlying issues, not just those directly associated with U0302. The scan tool will also reveal any pending DTCs and confirmed DTCs, aiding in identifying all current problems. Confirming that the TCM and PCM are communicating effectively will be essential at this stage. By beginning with a thorough diagnostic scan, technicians can pinpoint and address issues efficiently. Once the error codes have been assessed, the next step involves inspecting the software version of the Transmission Control Module, TCM. It's essential to verify that the TCM software version matches that of the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. If the TCM is outdated, an update may be necessary, which can typically be performed using manufacturer-specific diagnostic tools or software available at a Honda dealership. Checking the compatibility between both modules is critical to ensure consistent functioning and effective communication. This step is integral in addressing the software mismatch problem, and confirming that both modules are updated to their latest versions can significantly solve communication failures reflected by the DTC U0302. After confirming and updating the software versions in both the TCM and PCM, the next troubleshooting step is to clear the DTC using the automotive scan tool. This process will reset the system and remove any stored fault codes, including U0302. However, merely clearing the code is not sufficient. It is crucial to conduct a test drive to verify that the DTC does not return. During the test drive, the vehicle's transmission and engine control systems should be observed to ensure they operate correctly. If the MIL remains off and the shift position indicator does not blink, this indicates that the problem has likely been resolved. If the error code reoccurs, further investigation will be necessary to explore other potential issues. Final repair verification is a crucial step to ascertain the successful resolution of DTC U0302. After the necessary updates and diagnostics, it is vital to ensure that the DTC has been completely cleared from the system. The technician should use the scan tool to confirm that no fault codes are present after the repair procedure has been completed. Additionally, it's important to monitor the vehicle during subsequent drives for any recurring symptoms, especially the illumination of the malfunction indicator light, MIL, or blinking shift position indicator. Continuous vigilance post-repair enables the technician to verify long-term resolution and guarantees that any additional underlying issues are addressed promptly. A successful verification indicates that both the TCM and PCM are now communicating effectively. To prevent the occurrence of DTC U0302 in the future, it is essential to implement a routine maintenance schedule that includes regular software updates for both the Transmission Control Module, TCM, and Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Manufacturers often release software updates that enhance performance, fix known issues, and improve compatibility between various control units within the vehicle. Additionally, scheduling routine diagnostics can help catch potential problems before they escalate into more significant issues. This approach allows drivers to maintain optimal vehicle performance and avoids unnecessary breakdowns. Regular checks on the TCM and PCM can promote longevity and reliability for the vehicle, ensuring a smooth driving experience. In summary, DTC U0302 signifies a software version mismatch between the Transmission Control Module, TCM, and the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, in Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. Understanding the role of both the TCM and PCM is key to grasping why this error arises and how the communication between them can be disrupted. Addressing such discrepancies requires careful troubleshooting, starting from code checking, software inspections, to verification. Furthermore, committing to preventive maintenance through regular software updates will significantly decrease the likelihood of encountering this issue again. By ensuring that both modules operate with the latest software, drivers can enjoy a seamless driving experience without the disruptions caused by communications errors. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.